able to learn is that Jesus, you know. A lot of people like to credit their alarm clocks for waking them up, or their mom and dad for waking them up. But without the power of Jesus, without Jesus giving you that ability to wake up this morning, the alarm clock can ring all it wants. Mom and dad can tell you to get up all they want. So, you know, that's right there is enough to be thankful for. And enough to go out and fulfill the Great Commission that Jesus gave his disciples, and as followers of Jesus, we are disciples also. And that's to go tell somebody about his goodness, you know. Tell somebody about what he's done in your life, what he can do in their lives, and, you know, and we do our best to follow him and walk like he walked, you know. And we have to, in order to do that, we have to read our Bible, we have to say a prayer, you know. We have to praise and worship his name because if you never, it's kind of like a relationship with your parents or a boyfriend and girlfriend relationship. You know, if your parents never dated, never got to know each other, never learned about each other, then they couldn't have a successful relationship. And that's the same way with Jesus. If we never read about him, never read what he did, never read what the Bible tells us that he is, if we never talk to him, how can our relationship grow? You can't. So we have to read about him, you know, go to church, have someone teach us the word. We also have to be self-feeders and read the Bible for ourselves. Just praise and worship his name and give him the glory that he deserves.